Wala naman may-ari sa inyo, ah.
Croissant chopped breakfast sandwich, guys. We're gonna put a spin on your regular sub bread by using the croissants. We're layering them together. Put them nice and tight, and you should have a nice sub roll just like this out of the croissant. Slice it down the center and open it up, and then let's start building our sandwich here. I'm gonna use some tater tots, some shredded cheddar, some breakfast sausage, a little bit of bacon, nice and crispy bacon, and then top it with my eggs. I did these eggs over medium here. The runniness of those eggs is gonna add a nice saucy flavor to this breakfast sandwich. Top it with some chives, and then chop it up into little bits here. Start stacking that up into your sub bun, your croissant bun. Flip it over, and you've got this beautiful sandwich, breakfast sandwich ready to be shared.
Kaya pala may Taylor Swift ka sa Spotify rap mo.
Cut it in half and
Ano
it is ready to go.
ba? Ito na nga, next na. Dear Diary, nagselo siya sa boy best friend ko.
Chop pickled Texas toast, go ahead and toast yourself a nice thick slice of bread. Toast it up on all sides, nice cream cheese, pickle juice, dill, red onions. Chop it all up with some cheese, nice little cheddar, and some bacon. Go ahead and chop it up, guys. Once you got it nice and chopped, you can leave it big or small. Go ahead and place it inside of your Texas toast and enjoy it.
Dear Diary, balita ko, may bago na siyang girlfriend. At yung best friend ko pa yung bago niya. Paano nila nagawa sa akin to? Parehas silang traitor. Hala, okay lang yan, bes. Kaya, ayun, nasa top song ko yung kill.
Ingredients right here. Right after that, we're gonna pop it in the oven, guys. A little bit of ham, tomato paste, olives, and of course, lots and lots of cheese. We're gonna come through with all this mozzarella all the way around right here, and the pepperoni. Don't forget, guys, pop it in the oven. When it comes back out, all you gotta do is enjoy and smile.
Dear
Like this.
Diary,
All the way across.
ito na ba yung binigay ng universe
Oh, boy,
para
here we
sa
go.
akin?
Hi, flour on there. We're gonna press.
My name is
Done.
Jake.
Now we're
Ang
gonna take these
pogi
pieces
ng
out.
pangalan, tapos ang tangkad niya pa.
That's the
Siya
side.
na talaga yung para sa
So
akin.
guys, this is your recipe you love making, and even more, you're gonna enjoy eating it. Share this with your friends and family, and they will thank you for
Dear
it. We got the tomato sauce right
Diary,
here.
suko na ako.
Fill in the spaces,
Ayoko na
just like that.
magjowa.
Easy.
Mamamatay
Up to
na
halfway,
talaga
up to the
ako
middle. There
single.
you go, over here. And now we come through with some delicious pesto.
Nay!
Like this. Half and half. You're gonna love it.
Kasama ko po yung jowa
Just like
ko,
that.
Nay.
Easy and quick.
Jowa?
Now we got that out of the way. Let's go with some mozzarella cheese.
Sugin mo.
Place it. Go all the way around.
Nay,
There, and we move on with some cherry tomatoes. Look at that bowl. All
hello
colors.
po,
Go ahead
tita.
and grab and place them inside. And the rest of these are going to be used for the top. Now we move on. We got some nice spicy jalapenos. For this cold weather, it's going to warm up your little mittens.
May problema
Here we go,
po ba?
jalapenos, and we move on with the olives.
Ayaw kita sa anak
Here,
ko.
we go all the way,
Ha?
everywhere, just a
Bakit
bit,
po,
and we're going to finish
tita?
off with
Sige.
a nice touch of phrase,
Bibigyan kita
fresh
ng 10
basil
milyon.
leaves. And here we go. Let's
Layuan
close
mo
this
ang
up so we
anak
get our
ko.
second roll. Okay,
10
so
milyon? Para
Place
layuan
it
ko ang
here.
anak nyo.
And same thing as
Ayoko
before.
po. Hindi
Set
ko
right for the
matatapatan
time.
yan ang pagmamahal ko
Roll
sa
it
anak
out.
nyo. Haba, juicy
Pinch
ka
our
pa
edges in.
ha.
We're leaving to
Ito.
the oven and waiting 20 minutes. In the oven, we'll be back in about 20 minutes.
Pesos.
Guys, check that out.
Check it.
Beautiful. We're going to go ahead and flip it over so we can
20
continue.
milyon?
The rest.
Sige na. Thank you,
And they
tita.
should come out
Bye-bye.
easily. So be careful, safety
Uy,
first.
sandali.
Oh, yeah.
Gusto ko naman kayahin ng mga nanay
Nice
sa
crispy
teleserye.
dough.
Uy, bumalik
Just like
ka.
we want it. So go ahead and get this. And paper out the way.
Nay, aamin na ako sa crush ko. Go
Whoa,
anak,
look at that.
sana magkajowa ka
Alright,
na
so
agad.
let's show you what we've got,
hello.
baby.
May aaminin ako sa'yo.
We are not done.
Crush kita.
Garlic butter here.
Crush mo ko?
Oh,
Yuck,
baby.
kadiri ka.
That's
Di kita
garlic.
gusto.
Parmesan.
Nay, na-reject ako.
That's the
Sakit.
Parmesan. Now,
Ganyan talaga
sauce,
anak.
we're going to
Hanap mo
move
na
these
ng
out of the way.
iba. Marami pa dyan.
Side. Look at all that
A few
cheese, baby.
moments later.
Go. And here we go.
Ang babo
These
mo
three out first.
naman. Single ka ba? Oo.
Tomato sauce, just like
Gusto
this.
ko na magka-jowa.
Fill in.
Ako, pwede ako maging jowa mo.
Next, ugly t-shirt.
Sige!
Pesto in
So,
there.
tayo na?
Spread out
Oo,
evenly.
sinasagot na
Some
kita. Yes!
Got
May
decorated.
girlfriend na ako!
A little more. Here we go. Come through.
Nay, may good news ako
Grab
sa'yo.
them.
May
Grab
jowa
them all.
na ako.
All together like
Talaga
this.
ba, anak? Parang ang bilis naman. Siyempre, Nay,
And
ang
let's go
pogi
with
ko eh.
Same thing. It's heated up a
Nay,
little bit.
nasa labas siya.
Red.
Sige anak,
There we go, guys.
papasukin mo.
To the oven. These last
hello
spaces are going to be
tita.
filled in with some ranch, so we're not going to put it in yet. All right, let's put this in here for about 10 minutes. I'm going to be right back.
Mare,
Oh boy, it's almost
magkakilala
tasting time.
kayo?
Little ranch.
Oo,
So we'll get
anak.
our tree done real quick.
Kumari ko yan eh. Pero Nay,
Baby, that's
jowa
what
ko
we're going to
siya.
get last. The ranch is nice. Cold.
Di pala tayo
There we go.
pwede.
Now, real
Hanap
quick,
ka na lang ng
we're
iba.
gonna get chopped
Ayoko na
basil.
magmahal.
Like this, here and there, just like that. And everywhere else. And now check out the tree coming through with some nice
for
red
the
peppercorns.
roses.
Beautiful. Put a little bit of this on there.
Thank you for the roses.
Nice and colorful. And
Oh,
guys,
this is
check it out.
fire.
Candy cane.
Thank you for the
right
ice
here.
cream.
Just across like that.
For the roses. Anak, anong ginagawa mo? Nay,
Now,
ginagawa ko yung
here,
AI na
real quick.
trend sa TikTok yung nagla-live. Anong AI live na kabaliwan na yan, ha? Madami daw kasi
Here, guys,
nagsisend
nice
kapag
square.
ganun. So, pwede ako yumaman. Yayaman?
Ooh, love that crust.
Talaga lang, ha? Oo, Nay,
Sweet.
alam ko na lang ako ang pera eh.
Wala.
Talaga, marami ka ng pera.
Yeah.
Sige, tuloy mo na yan.
Take a bite over here.
Oh, thank you for the ice cream.
A few moments later.
Christmas tree baked cheesecake. Here's a great way to add a little bit of Christmas cheer to your cheesecake this year. I'm piping on some green cheesecake batter onto my delicious vanilla cheesecake. Using a little skewer, we're going to create this beautiful Christmas design. It's ready to serve.
Nay, gutom na kami.
Bacon, egg, and cheese
Wala
is
pa rin
perfect for
ulam.
Christmas morning. Your kids are
Oh,
gonna
anak,
love this. They can
ikaw na
join
muna
in
bahala sa
the
kapatid
this
mo.
morning and
Magluto
serve
ka
up
muna
to them.
dyan.
You can find more
Pero may
recipes like
buong
this
araw
in
ka
our
na
Chef's Cook
nagaganyan.
Kit books. They're available
Nakalimutan mo
on
yung mga
Amazon.
anak
My
mo.
favorite pepperoni cheese and cherry tomato. And then I'm gonna
Kita
throw
mo
in the egg
nagpapayaman
mixture
ako
here
dito,
and
di
all
ba?
of our favorite
Gusto mo
breakfast
mag-knife ka din?
Christmas
Para
tree
may
donuts.
ka naman
Check
at
this
di
out,
ka
guys. Super
pabigat.
simple and very fun to do with the kids. And here we go. We're gonna cut these babies out just like this. now we got some melted chocolate, nicely colored with organic food coloring, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and dip it in here, but right before we're gonna stuff it with some strawberry
Ayoko
jelly
ng gulay na. Ayoko yung pinakbit na yan.
and decorate it nicely
Fried
with your
chicken?
favorite sprinkles
Nakakasawa
or
ng fried
fruits.
chicken
We
na
use
yun,
both.
Nay.
Here we go,
Gusto
and
ko
check it out.
yung
I'm gonna slide it on here and
sabaw.
enjoy
Ate mo
it.
naman, anak. Anong gusto mo? Sopas? Blue sopas? Para naman tayo nasa lamin yun eh. Gusto ko yung may baboy. Ah, alam ko na. Sinigang na baboy. Ano naman yan, anak, ha? Tumitila-tila ka dyan. Di ba alam yun, Nay, si Alden? Diyos ko, kakatikpak mo na naman yan eh. Ano na naman pinapanood mo, ha? Ay, naku, mga bata ngayon. Nakakatakot na kayo.
Anak, nakita mo ba yung cellphone ng tatay mo?
Nilagay ko dun sa loob ng kabaong niya bago siya ilibing.
Ha? Ba't mo naman ginawa yun, anak? May mga importante naman doon. Baka sakaling buhay pa siya para matawagan niya ako. Diyos ko talaga tong batang to.
I'm just gonna start building up my Christmas tree, place my little topper on top. I'm using tomatoes, and then I have my egg mixture here. I'm just gonna pour those eggs right into the skillet, top them with some tomato ornaments and some chives. Already, I love this. We're gonna serve this up just like this in a large.
I'm gonna press it down to create.
Kailangan natin pumunta sa sementeryo. Tumawag sa akin si tatay.
Anak, pwede ba? Wala
Beautiful.
akong oras
Let's cook it
magpagbiruan
like
sa'yo.
this. Our
Marami
cinnamon
pa
roll
ako tapos
now
sa trabaho.
ready.
Pero Nay, pag di ka pa tumigil, kukunin yung cellphone mo.
And if your cinnamon roll
Tay,
is like this to your
sumagot
mold,
ka.
just take a blowtorch,
Alam kong buhay ka.
melt a little bit,
Sa lahat ng pwede kong makita, ikaw pa
remove it
talaga.
from the mold, and we're gonna gently flip it to have it pie the other side.
Nababaliw ko na talaga,
Beautiful.
no?
And some
Patay
champagne
na
on the
tatay mo, di ba?
top. Finish this dessert.
Bali, hindi. Buhay siya.
Ito tandaan mo. Kapag
And
hindi
then
ka pa
pop cinnamon
tumigil
in the
sa
top.
kabaliwan mo, susunod ka na sa tatay mo.
Sinabihan akong baliw ni Cheska.
Cinnamon roll sheet pan
tapos
roll up. Here I have my
sinaktan niya
hot
ako.
sheet pan that I just placed in the oven for a few minutes, pour on some
Mabuhay
butter,
ka.
and add our pancake batter. Now I'm gonna take my cinnamon roll filling, and we're just gonna pipe some swirls onto our sheet pan, and pop this into the oven, 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're gonna slice it and roll it up.
Ang bata.
We'll flip it over,
Tay,
roll it up,
sumagot ka na,
place it on a plate,
please.
and we're gonna add some delicious cinnamon roll icing.
Quick and easy way to get your
pumatay
marshmallow
sa
dessert
anak
going.
ko.
We're just using some
Ano?
puff pastry, some mini marshmallows here,
Siya
a little
nga
bit
to
of
ng
some
away
cinnamon
sa
sugar,
akin
and
eh.
go ahead and start rolling these up.
Ikaw
We're just
ang
gonna
huli
pop them
niyang
into a muffin tin
kasama.
and dessert is already
Tandaan
served.
mo
Look how
to.
toasty and delicious that is, gooey and gooey on the
tatay
inside.
mo.
Swirl pumpkin cake. This cake is so delicious. You're going to want to make it, preferably before guests come over, because your house will smell amazing. We're just going to swirl in this cinnamon butter in our pumpkin cake, bake it. We're gonna add a delicious
Anak,
icing. Look at that.
ni Cheska. Oh, bakit, Nay?
Pinatay daw. Binitin sa may puno. Ano? Nakakatakot na dito sa barangay natin, anak. Sinong pumapatay sa kanila? Ay, may tao.
Sino po sila? Magandang araw po. Ako po si Detective Jason. Ako ang may hawak sa investigation team sa pagkamatay ni Cheska at ng kanyang nanay. Bakit kayo nandito? Dahil dito.
Nay,
No mushrooms at all.
ako
And now we grab.
sa kanila.
Oo,
Alright,
anak.
Here we go.
Narinig ko lahat ng mga sumbong
Check it
mo
out.
sa tatay mo.
Oh, you place it
Pinangako
right there.
ko sa
And do
tatay
the same
mo
again.
bago siya mamatay
Get that
na
in there. Here we
poprotektahan
take
kita.
that. Here we go. Easy
Kahit
as 1, 2, 3. We're gonna flip them all.
makapatay man ako ng tao.
Why? You're asking?
Sumama ka
Well,
sa
if you
akin,
have
ma'am, para
3
may
little
interview ka
seconds, you'll
namin.
find out. We
Tandaan
got some
mo to,
butter
anak.
coming your way. Butter, baby.
Kahit
Just like
nasa
this.
kulungan ako,
We're gonna go ahead
poprotektahan
and
kita.
swipe them all with a little butter.
Tumawag ka lang.
Like this. Give them some love. We got some cheddar. Cheddar coming your way.
Delivery po. Anong delivery? Parang wala
Just
naman
like
ako
that.
in-order,
Can't
kuya.
have grilled cheese without some cheese,
nakasunod po
right?
dito,
So
Susan.
here we go.
Sa'yo po ba yun,
Bit of
ma'am?
cheese right here. Bit of cheese right here. And
Sige.
boom.
Baka nakalimutan ko lang. Ay, ano po yan? Cellphone? Di ba mahal to? Opo, Nay. Paano ka nakabili niyan? Siguro nanalo ng raffle si Mama. Nay? Oo, Nay. Bakit? Nabalitaan niyo na ba, Nay?
Kasi yung mga scammer na yun.
Totoo ba?
Sabi sa nakita ko, Nay, na-scam daw siya ng mamahaling cellphone gamit ang credit card ng ibang tao. At ito din malala, Nay. Na-scam daw din siya ng pera.
Delivery po. May delivery ata, anak. Delivery po. Ikaw na naman, kuya. Sabi ko ulit, wala naman nga kayo na-order. Wala akong magagawa. dyan,
Cookie
ma'am.
crumble chocolate banana. Starting a slit on the center of your banana and filling it with chocolate squares.
Ano na naman laman
Then we're
nito?
gonna top it with some delicious cookie dough, and now it's off to the oven, 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes.
Ito ba yung sinasabi
Top with ice cream
ni Scarlett
and your
na
favorite
galing
toppings.
sa scam? Pero
And
bakit
enjoy.
sila nakapangalan?
Country fried steak, biscuits, and gravy. I've got a ribeye here that I'm going to pound thin. This is going to help this cook evenly. Now I've got standard flour with a little bit of seasoning. You can use salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and onion powder in your flour. I'm just going to get a light coating on this. I don't want it too thick because this is going to be a really rich dish. That's why we're going with a nice thin coating of flour on the outside to get it nice and crispy. Drain all of the oil and look at those nice brown bits in the bottom of the pan. That's going to give you the flavor you want in this gravy. Now I've got a nice big bone shank here, and I'm going to squeeze the marrow right out of the center, and that's going to give this a really flavorful, extremely rich flavor for our gravy. Put some onions in there, squeeze some roasted garlic, and a little bit of flour to create a roux. All that bone marrow, the butter, and all the spices are going to create a nice thick roux. Hit it with some milk, and I've got a perfect country gravy for our steak. Cut that steak in half because only half is going to fit on one of these big biscuits. Some fluffy biscuits. You've got a
Hindi
great
si
sandwich,
Nari ang
and now that steak.
scammer. Pero nasa bahay na to, ang totoong scammer. ka ba? May ibibigay lang ako sa'yo. Ito. Wait lang to, ha?
The chicken. We're gonna come through with some cranberry sauce, some slices of brie cheese, and then a few more herbs just to season the center up. Just start rolling this guy until you've got a nice log just like this, and then you can remove your film, lay it onto some puff pastry, do one more roll up before we head off into the oven with this guy. I'm just gonna seal those ends, place our leaves here for that pale feel. We're gonna brush it with a little bit of egg wash to get a golden, delicious color on the outside. It's also gonna help that to crisp up. We want some green leaves for this to make it festive. Once we bake it off, slice in. This is ready to go. Enjoy your holidays, guys. Top it with some gravy. Happy holidays.
Totoo ba, Nay? Totoo nga to.
Come through and wipe it down with a little white vinegar, guys. Just to be on the safe side. Now,
O anak, saan ka galing? Nag-apply ako sa trabaho. Ayoko naman maging pabigat sa inyo habang buhay. Sana makabawi na ako sa inyo. Ba't di mo nalang i-wish yan sa Dreamcatcher? Malay mo naman, di ba? Oo nga no, Nay.
coming through with some barbecue sauce for our bears. There we go. Go ahead.
Nay, tanggap na ako sa trabaho. Ang laki pa ng sahod ko. O, di ba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, anak eh. Deserve mo yan. Nay, sa wakas, makakabawi na rin ako sa inyo.
Right here. Come over here.
Bes, alam mo, ang yaman mo na. Bakit di ka pa mag-asawa? Ay naku, Bes. Kung may magkakagusto man sa akin, ang gusto ko, mabait at responsable. Parang si Joshua. Naku, Bes, si Joshua pa. Puro trabaho yan.
Hi Scarlett, pwede ba tayo mag-lunch together mamaya?
Sure, sige. Saan ba? Ayun. Oh, yan ang simula ng love story niyo, ha? Hi, mahal.
Gün yeni bir umut tutunup hayallerine günü unut. Sanki kalbimin içinde yüzlerce kuş